Food scraps in landfills generate climate-changing gas, and using your green bin helps stop this. Now while that's great for the environment, your reward is a nasty-smelling bin that you also have to wash clean. Now I wonder, could this be the reason people throw their food waste in their garbage and recycling bins? Has keeping the green bin clean become a job? So let me ask you, would you use your food cart if we promise to maintain and hand over a fresh bin every time your garbage truck swings by? We keep your green bin clean in return for your yucky food scraps. If your answer is yes, let me show you how and introduce BagEZ trash bag holders. BagEZ helps your clean bins stay clean. Simply clip on any standard-sized bag and hang it in your bin to confine all the nasty organic waste you throw in. It's simple science. Your bin stays clean because nothing yucky touches it. Lift, drop, and shut. It's that easy. On collection day, pull off the clips and seal the bag to keep everything nasty locked in, and take your bin to the curb. Your bag and its yucky contents get taken away by the garbage truck, and you have a clean bin sitting on your driveway. It can't get easier. Here are a few specs. BagEZ is made of solid steel and holds heavy bags in place up to 55 pounds. Here's a fun fact. BagEZ helps reduce senseless waste. The average home disposes of just a few pounds of food waste per week. Using oversized trash bags to protect your large bins from a few small bags of kitchen scraps makes no sense when BagEZ does the same job perfectly with regular-sized bags. Here are 5 tips that we promise will make using your green bin a complete mess and a hassle-free experience. 1. Always use a quality bag to prevent any accidents. 2nd. For best results, use BagEZ with a clean bin. 3rd. Put some paper in the bin to soak up any liquids if the bag happens to leak. The 4th tip is about masking odors. Try using scented bags. Some people find them great. Alternatively, you can also try odor control sachets or devices. 5th. Use food-grade diatomaceous earth, commonly known as kitty litter, to keep flies and maggots away. It's a cheap, natural solution that you sprinkle over your food scraps. Keeping your green bin clean has never been so easy and hassle-free. Food waste is a global problem and you can help by using your green bin. And now, with BagEZ making it so easy, there's simply no reason not to. Remember, waste management everywhere is different. Please contact your waste hauler to find out what type of bag you can use, and you are good to go. From storage and litter collection to bin maintenance, BagEZ offers you a complete solution. To learn more, visit us at www.bagez.com.